This is the 6-inch square recessed LED downlight from NUWATT. It's an easy-to-install canless light that you can just snap into your ceiling with no ceiling fan or additional fixtures required. LED lights consume significantly less energy than traditional fluorescent lights, which means that they're friendlier to your wallet and to the environment. NUWATT makes lights that are built to last, with each unit featuring a high-quality, durable frame. No matter where you decide to install them, you can be sure that this light is a commercial quality fit for any job. These lights are great because they have a CCT switch to adjust the Kelvin temperature of the light, while most products on the market now only have 1 Kelvin temperature. This gives you the flexibility to match the color of your NUWATT lights to the rest of the lighting in your space. You can also choose from a variety of trim colors to seamlessly integrate your lights with the color scheme of any room,